What's going on inside the game, man? It's your boy Ronto inside back with another video, man. I'm trying to hurry up before I get this copyright, man. Basically, I'm at another car meet, you feel me, man? That's at Hadley Park, man, you feel me? Everybody's coming out here chilling and stuff, man. Basically, we saw Mustang, but they got a whole bunch of Vits and stuff out here, man. So I'm gonna show y'all what's good. Let's get it.
Santina Star Beats.
Nigga lit no lighter. Nigga hit, I ain't fighter. Nigga that a motherfucking fighter. Do I BRC yo bitch, I'm a piper. You niggas ain't shit but some typers. I step on your porch with a fire. I step on your porch with an iron. Do I beat shot him, he dying. Yo bitch, I took it, she mine. Yo life, I took it with nines. I step on your block with a 4-5. I fuck on your couch with your whole tide.
Santina Star Beats. Santina Star Beats.
Y'all, that was pretty much it, man. They just made a little quick stop by to see what they had going on down here, man. They was really talking about something. They had some real nice cars out here, man. That IA was pretty. All that talking to do with the IA for the longest, so you feel me. We was just chilling now. They just go ahead and get up out of here, man. So y'all take care, man. Love y'all, man. Y'all stay up, man. Roll to inside the couch. Let it go, man.